Right now, I'm being held hostage and tortured. My head hurts. They're stressing my body out. They're speaking out of my mouth and they're bombarding me with their thoughts and speech. They keep talking out of my mouth. I want to stop. This is going to be the V2K. I'm letting them speak. I want you to stop talking to this person for this operation needed to stop ending. I got this problem. I told you to stop talking to this guy. This is going to keep happening here. I shot this in the head already. I'm not doing this shit anymore. This guy is telling us right now that we have a problem with this guy.
Welcome to the line. Our daily infection rate is now dropping.
We're actually trying to explain to them that they actually are smarter. This situation is actually supposed to be funny to them because we're not actually supposed to be talking to you. As he keeps explaining to stop talking to them.
Calling all active harvest runners. The Los Angeles Zoo is
The person who doesn't want to speak to you. No, I'm trying to go back. Not actually what we're supposed to do.
Here, look at the goods.
It's actually that sad. Okay, told you to stop talking. Okay, I got that we have nothing else to do but to keep talking to you for some reason. And he says the problem is here is that he is not actually trying to talk to you. Okay. We are trying to explain our person here is they're bombarding me with this speech, but there's other people talking. So if I were to go into other channels, we're not supposed to be figuring out what you're doing right now because everybody else says that you needed to stop talking to this guy. It's like a whole bunch of brains at once attacking one brain. It's like they're zombies. Like they have dead people's bodies inside of a computer system. I keep saying this over and over again, but that's what it seems like.
From a runner squad that went in there not too long ago. I'm not getting any harvest from you, Tower.
Because they have them blasting and interacting with what I'm saying. But they interact with each other, say, and they keep attacking the mind. So dead people on a server. And them talking again. We're actually not son. Say it again, and I got your problem here.
Let's go.
To tell you that every time you tell us that we're actually not supposed to be here, why they keep explaining you. I thought that this actually was going to be the problem with you. I don't know why you're talking. Stop talking to him then if you don't get it. V2K talking to me. Okay, they're talking like this constantly. They're also talking about other stuff. I got this. What are you talking to him for? I wanted to stop you from talking to this guy. I understand it.
Reloading.
I thought this guy was actually going to tell us right now. Who are you talking to him for? I got that this is actually what his problem is here. I got it. I know why we're speaking to him. It's crazy. This is actually why he's tired. I'm tired of this guy. Okay? I told him to stop explaining him. This is actually his issue here. I wanted you to stop explaining. Okay, to the public, we actually have a problem because he says the problem is I got that we're still taking him hostage so we can try to talk out of him constantly. This is actually what we're doing now.
Don't get too close to those.
Good shot.
I thought that this actually was going to be the... Your failure to communicate here is that he keeps explaining to you that you actually have a problem here. Your failure to communicate here. What you're saying doesn't make sense. Stop speaking to me. This is them talking. This is how crazy they are. Brains on a computer system. These people are too crazy to be alive.
Reloading.
Constantly them wailing. Times of war, all these dead bodies they have. And collect them, stick them inside of their computer. That's yeah, we're not actually... You're not allowed to speak here!
Cover me! Reloading!
I'm emptying my gun. Okay, I got it. Yeah! What the fuck? Stop talking out of me! Fucking retard keeps saying that over and over again. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Work, Jimmy!
Reloading.
I got a, you son of a fucking bitch! You get out of this guy!
Need more ammo.
Yeah, I get it. I'm gonna fight for fun with that. They're refusing to come out. Okay. I got it. And now they're freezing again. Yeah, I got it. So, someone's controlling the AI. That's what it looks like, doesn't it? Yep, there it is. Got it. Emptying my weapons. Stop switching my guns! There are Russians on this game. Noticing that the kids are also possibly Russian, even if they have English accents. The kid that said gulag.
Reloading.
Russian word. Sounded English. Sounded American. This is why he does that. Now, this is the issue, huh? Now, I'm using AI. This is actually going smoother than using people who supposedly know how to play this game. Keep listening to them, and I keep getting malice. Player killers, player killers, player killers. People who want to kill people, hurt people. But the thing is, I'm getting the same thing at work, when I was working, across the U.S., and at the stores here. This is Virginia, Gainesville. They read the same way. Like they're trying to lure people so they can steal from them or kill them. Again, AI. Now, this is a hostage situation. They are terrorizing me. Also, this is the first quarter. 79 kills. If I get to the end of this, I probably will have something around 200 to 300 kills. If you look at the end scores of other people when they're inside of this game, you'll see they have something close to 400 to 500 kills. And that's just for one person, when there are 4. Doesn't look like there's an increase in the spawn rate. So again, hacking the totals. All of that, only 79. Do a cleanup and repack period here. Get ready for things that may happen in the future. It's the V2K again, since I have some extra time on this. I want to explain to you that we have a problem with this guy's. They are formally requesting that they actually surrender their fucking firearms, right? Stop talking out of me. This will go on. Day after day, month after month. They keep making up shit. We're gonna have a problem with you. They think they can control me for the rest of my life. Like a computer component. Like I'm supposed to be their drone. It's gonna keep happening. They don't have the... I'm 40 right now, and I haven't worked in government sectors for probably about 6-7 years. They keep thinking like they're going to get somewhere with this. What I keep doing is going on games. I got Worlds here. I got After the Fall. I have Sparkle Zombies. Arizona Sunshine 1 and 2. Silent North. Hell Horde. Pinball. Triangle Strategy. Lego Bricktails. Invaders. I can keep doing this. Duck Hunt. Zombies. Again. Dreambound, which is some sort of backrooms. Hello Dot. First Encounters. So this can go on and on and on. And the longer I have to deal with this situation, the more I'm considered disabled. Which means I may get more money. But these guys want to talk all day. Now, people who are living, it would make no sense they would want to waste this much time. Very little sense. Unless they're dead corpses that they got from the war. And that they intentionally started this war so they can collect dead people to put inside of their computer systems. They steal your soul and repurpose you for their goals. That could be what this is. Can't get away from them because they have you frozen in ice somewhere.